Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video I just want to show you guys very simple tutorial, but maybe perhaps you've been keep looking around for seeing the key events on Google Analytics. So obviously in our common sense, when we click the events, which is the key events of us, and then here I have two key events, and then obviously you want to see, if we want to see the setting, we just click on this triple dots icon. And then maybe you were just like me, you couldn't find anything around here to see the current setup of this event. So I don't know why Google put this like this. So if you want to check these events or any events, key events on your Google Analytics, rather than clicking these triple dots, you click this custom configuration. Okay, you just click custom events. Later you will see your custom events on your Google Analytics. So over here you can change the parameter, the operator, the value, or anything on that button. So it's so embarrassing for Google that for common sense you just click on the triple dot, but inside here you couldn't find anything. What you have to do is click custom configuration, and then that's it. You will find your current key events on Google Analytics. So that's it, this tutorial. I hope you can I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this helpful for you, please please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.